Hi and welcome again to Excel's Master Course. In the previous session we have talked a little bit about the statistical function. In this session we will continue the statistical functions. To be a great data analyst you have to understand clearly the statistical concepts and how to use it. We gonna launch course about it in the future. But wait, we wanna thank you guys, now we have 1230 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. We wanna achieve the 2000s before ending of September. We trust you guys as a great audience and we wanna do it. In this session we gonna talk about quartiles, standard deviation. Let's talk about some statistical concepts. The statistical distribution of values. Let's order these values ascending order. For this data set, 1 is the minimum value, 5 is the median or the average value, and 9 is the maximum value. We explained these concepts before. Now let's talking about new concepts. The quartiles. Like minimum and maximum and median, quartiles are used to specify some points and features in the data set. In the descriptive statistics course we gonna talk about quartiles in details. Let's specify all of the statistical points you have learned till now to this data set. First we gonna eliminate the median from the data set. Then we gonna split it to two data sets. These two data sets contain even number of values. The main quartiles are 3. First, second, and third. Remember the data set that we have separated. If you calculate the mean of the first separated data set it will be the first quartile or Q1. If you calculate the mean of the second separated data set it will be the third quartile or Q3. And Q2 is the mean of the original data set. Let's try to perform it in Excel. Let's create the data set that we have considered as example in Excel. Then let's calculate the first quartile to this data set to Excel. So equal quartile.exe. Then specify the range. Then comma then 1 to calculate the first quartile. Let's talk about standard deviation. We gonna talk about it in details in descriptive statistics course. Now let's about it in Excel. Now let's create a sample data set. Let's calculate the standard deviation to this data set. So equals def open parenthesis. Specify the range. In this session you have learned a little bit about the statistics in Excel. Information in the quiz below in the description. Thank you for pay attention. Don't forget to subscribe and apply notification and like the video. See you in the next session.